Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel TREASURY. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So the video for today is like for treasury, like since we promised to provide a daily quiz or something related to the treasury. So here today we are going to answer it together with you guys. So normally, as we know that if we have like an available task to do it, so we have to come this section so that we may see like if we have the task. So let's click on this section. So and again, I have like on claiming task that I have, which is invited friends. So let's click on claim. So and again, I have a vote channel, which is like I didn't do it since my Telegram premium subscription was like been down. So let's go for this activity. So let's click on activity. So again, this section we have to come and enter the code which is like needed for the 7, so which is 66999. So let's click on check so that we may see we have imported the correct. So congratulations, we have imported the correct. So let's click on claim, continue. So as you can see, like we have something similar to 6699. So all you need to do is to come and click on your screen like double, so that the code will be showing on your home page or post screen. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you can see, the code is 6699. So thank you.